Hey everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing well. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about the hair care products that I've been using lately and I've been loving them. Or you can say this is my current favorite hair care routine. Now there are some hair care products that I've been using from past couple of weeks, and also there are a couple of products that I've been using. It's been months. So it's been a while I haven't talked about what hair care products that I use. So today's video is all about that. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you do, then definitely let me know in the comment section below, okay? Alright, now without rambling much, let's get started with the video. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell so that every single time I upload a video, you will get notified. And now, let's go. You guys must have heard how beneficial and effective is peptide for your skin, but have you heard about any peptide hair growth serum? I am using one, and this is from the brand Dermaco. It's their newest launch. Although this is a newest launch, but they have already shipped it long back and it's been a while I've been using it. Now let me tell you, this is the Dermaco 20% active peptide stem cell hair growth serum. This is going to boost your hair growth. Now this contains 1% redensil, 3% copper peptide, 4% anagen and 9% collagen analoop. I don't know what it is, or maybe I'm butchering the name, but these are the main ingredients of this product. And also this is sulfate, paraben dye, mineral oil and fragrance free. This serum contains highest concentration of actives in the Indian market. It reduces hair from thinning, breakage and hair loss. It boosts hair growth, gives stronger, thicker and fuller hair with regular use. 3% copper peptide improves scalp health, fortifying the foundation of robust hair growth while improving hair texture and elasticity. Plant stem cells boosts hair growth via hair follicles regeneration. A plant-based compound blend redensil targets hair stem cells and reactivates dormant hair follicles while improving hair density and strength. And you can see, even after washing my hair, my scalp looks fresh and clean. Now scalp serums are something that I absolutely love using because they are non-sticky, non-greasy, they are non-oily, they don't weigh down your hair, or it doesn't feel heavy on your scalp, and it doesn't give me headache. And you can use them every single night. You don't have to even wash it off because it's so lightweight. You won't even feel like you are having anything on your scalp. And it also helps in hair growth. So what else you need? And as these are water-like formulations, so it's not as heavy as hair oil, and you don't have to wash your hair every time you use it. Now what I do is I mostly use it 2 to 3 times a week at night, and most of the days what I do is I apply it, then I let it sit for my hair for 3 to 4 hours, and then I wash it off, or I do my regular shampooing, you know. Now what I really like about it, it's fragrance free. So if you are someone who is allergic to fragrances, or if you have extremely sensitive, or if you don't like including fragrance in your hair care routine, definitely try this one out. Now 8 out of 10 people says that they have seen hair growth after using a peptide hair serum. So I was so intrigued to try this one out. It's been 2 or 3 weeks I've been using it, so I haven't seen that much of hair growth because I've already chopped my hair a week back. As I always say, hair care or skincare products are not magic. You have to use them consistently to see some difference. Now what difference I have seen after using it for 2 weeks consistently is it's maintaining my scalp so well. It has reduced my hair fall to some extent, and it's visible, okay? The day I started using it, it has helped reducing my hair fall from the very first use, which was a big thing for me. This nourishes your scalp, maintains a healthy hair growth, it strengthens your hair, and this is going to give you stronger, fuller and thicker hair if you use this consistently. Another thing I would like to say that this has 20% of actives. So if you are someone who is a beginner and who haven't tried this kind of product before, definitely do a patch test before using it, because you don't know your skin is allergic to which ingredient. So a patch test is always recommended. Now I have oily scalp, and my scalp gets extremely itchy if I don't wash my hair every single day. So this is a product that's saving my scalp from itchiness. It has reduced dandruff issues. I don't have any dandruff right now. Also I get a lot of small little bumps all over my scalp. I don't have that right now. And also it has reduced my hair fall. I'm so happy with this particular product, you guys. I would highly recommend you to try this one. run out. Although this is sponsored, but trust me you guys, this is such a good product. You should definitely try this one out. Dermaco products are available on Flipkart, Amazon, Nykaa and Purple. Every time you buy from Dermaco, they will link your order to a charity that they help educate along with Bhumi. They have empowered 15,000 students this year with their Young Scientist initiative. And I do have a coupon code. If you use that on their website, you will get extra 20% off, but this is not an affiliate code, so I'm not gonna make any money out of it. This is just for you guys. Okay, moving on to the next product, which is shampoo. First, let's start with this one because this is something I've been using from past 2 to 3 months and I've been loving it. And this is from Nykaa Naturals. It's their rosemary and naturally derived niacinamide sulfate free shampoo. This is for your advanced hair growth. I've been loving this so much. It's a cream based shampoo. It's not a gel based shampoo, so it's not going to dry out your scalp or your hair. So if you use just a coin size amount, it's more than enough. And this is something I use it every single day. So in summer I try to wash my hair regularly and I use a shampoo, then a conditioner, or sometimes I use a hair mask, and I also use a scalp serum, as you guys have seen. So this is something I've been using every single day and this has worked so well for me. It has reduced my hair fall, it has made my hair soft, silky and smooth, and it doesn't dry down my hair, so I absolutely love it. Now in summer my scalp gets extremely oily, and as it contains niacinamide, so this is also going to help controlling your excessive oil production from your scalp, you know. So this is something I would highly recommend and I've been loving lately. Then this is the shampoo I've been using from past 2 to 3 weeks, I would say, and I am in love. This is such a good formulation if you have color treated hair, if you have dry dehydrated hair, or if you have damaged hair. Definitely try this one out. Oh my god, this brand is killing it with their products. Okay, so this is the Haircare Triple Bond Repair Shampoo. This is sulfate and paraben free. This contains 5% amino peptide repair complex, PCA, hydrolyzed keratin and sea kale. This is going to repair your dry, damaged, frizzy hair. And as I shampoo my hair every single day, the end of my hair gets really dry, but not anymore because I'm using this particular shampoo and it is so good. You have to try out by yourself, okay? If I'm saying it, you won't be understanding. You have to try it out and then definitely let me know in the comment section below you have liked it or not. Okay, post shampooing, most of the time I use a conditioner, but from past couple of months I'm skipping my conditioners and I'm using 2 of my favorite hair masks that I would talk about in a while. But first let's talk about this that I've started using recently. It's been 2 weeks I'm using it and I am in love. So this is the Haircare Triple Bond Repair Booster Serum. This reverses damage and repairs hair bond, and this has 10% amino peptide repair complex, PCA, hydrolyzed keratin and sea kale, just like the shampoo. Now as the name says booster serum, so first I was a little confused how to use it because it's very lightweight and it looks like a leave-in conditioner, you know. But you are supposed to use it instead of your conditioner. Post shampooing, just take a little bit on your palm and just apply it all over your wet hair. Then leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and wash it off, and that's it. You don't even need a hair serum if you use this. So this is something I've been loving lately. It hydrates, moisturizes my hair so well. It makes my hair soft, smooth, silky, shiny, and oh my god, I'm obsessed with this one. Whatever dryness and damage I had in my hair, it repaired all of it. Okay, my hair feels so nice and smooth right now. I hope you guys can see. Also it gives a beautiful shine to my hair, which I absolutely love. So this is something I would highly recommend, and this just retails for 5.99 rupees, you guys. It works a lot better than your salon products or the high-end hair products you have tried. So I would recommend you definitely try it. If you have dry damaged hair, you are gonna love it. Then I have this Love Beauty and Planet Argan Oil and Lavender Hair Mask. First of all, this smells incredible, okay? It smells like lavender, and whenever you use it, your entire bathroom smells like a spa. And you are supposed to use it just twice a week. It's more than enough. You are not supposed to use it every single day. Just start from your hair length, okay? From hair length to the tip of your hair, leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and then wash it off, and you will feel fantastic. It smells incredible. It makes your hair so soft, smooth, silky, shiny. I just can't stop myself from sniffing my hair the day I use it, and after using it my hair feels so soft and silky. I just can't stop myself from running my fingers through my hair, you know. So I love using it. I would highly recommend this one. If you have dry, damaged hair, or if you have frizzy hair, definitely try this one out. You are gonna love it. I have also tried their shampoo. I really like it, but it's completely over, so I couldn't show it, but I will include a picture right here. If you are looking for a good hair care combo for your hair, definitely try the shampoo and this hair mask together, and you will feel fantastic. Okay, the next product I am going to talk about that I use as my hair mask. It's not exactly a hair mask, but this is an aloe vera gel, but I love using it as my hair mask whenever I feel that my hair needs a little bit of hydration and my hair is looking a bit dry, or you know, it's damaged, or you are just coming back from the sun and you think your hair need that little bit of TLC. I just use this one and it works so well. Now aloe vera gel is something which is so essential, because aloe vera gel is something I use it on my scalp, on my hair, on my face, on my body. If you have sun damage or suntan, definitely apply aloe vera gel, and this is going to soothe that area. It will soothe that burning sensation. Or if you have irritated skin, or if you have irritated scalp, try it, you guys, try it. It's so good. And this is the plum aloe vera gel. Now after using all of these products, I don't really need a hair serum, but I am someone who loves using hair serums, okay? And if I don't use a hair serum, I feel like something is missing out, you know. So these are the two hair serums that I absolutely love, and I would highly recommend you guys. The first one is from L'Oreal Professional. It's their Absolute Repair Oil, and this is such a good hair serum. I know this is a little expensive, but this is totally worth your money. And if you're looking for a good hair serum, just close your eyes and get this one. And also it smells incredible, so if you use this, you don't even need a hair fragrance. It just makes your hair smell amazing throughout the day. So this is something I would highly recommend. And I recently started using this hair serum from Tresemme, and you guys can see how much I have used it up. So I've been using it from past 2 or 2.5 months, and the L'Oreal one I'm using from past 1.5 years, I guess. So this is something is a recent discovery. This was sent to me by the brand, and this is also a good hair serum, and this also smells really nice. I use it every single day whenever I'm at home, and if I'm going out and I want my hair to look really nice, glossy and shiny, I use the L'Oreal one, because this is a little, you know, budget friendly, and the L'Oreal one is a little expensive. And this is such a good serum. You should definitely give this one a shot. Okay, lastly, one product I want to talk about, and I just can't do without this particular product, because you guys know me, I film almost every single day, and whenever I start filming, before that I start styling my hair. And before styling, this is a product which is needed, because heat styling is something that damages your hair to the extent, okay? So this is something you should definitely try, because this is affordable and such good quality product. This is from Be Blunt. It's their Hot Shot Heat Protection Hair Mist. It prevents my hair from damaging, and it doesn't dry out my hair. It doesn't make my scalp oily. I have tried a couple of heat protectants that makes my scalp really oily the very next day, which I don't really like. So this is something which I like and I use on a regular basis. I know this is not your everyday hair care routine sort of a product, but for me, I straighten my hair, I blow dry my hair, I curl my hair, and whatever I do before that, I use a heat protectant hair mist. And this is something that I use and I absolutely love. And yeah, so that's it, you guys. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit on that notification bell so that every single time I upload a video you will get notified and you don't miss out on any video that I upload. And that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.